So Dave, I think you're sitting on a gold mine of information. You have an amazing overcoming obstacle story. You, yeah, you've transcended something that a lot of people would have given up. And you have so much value to share with the world. It's totally incredible. And, today, the whole challenge for all of us, the invitation that we're being asked for, I believe every one of us is being asked to step up, grow up, show up, and speak up. Because what the world needs right now is inviting people to step into their greatness, inviting people to connect to each other again, to connect to their hearts, to be who they are. We can't connect to each other if we're not real. I think everybody has some goodness in them that needs to be awakened and reinforced. You can do that. I can do that. And that's what we're here to do.
Wow. That is awesome.
Thanks to David Blake from Just For...
I cannot thank you enough for your awesome presentation to our group. Comments I got back from our membership confirmed you were the best speaker of the day. Not only did you provide us with fresh, helpful and information and tools, but you sent us out motivated to use them. And I think we all realised we didn't laugh enough. We're going to change that, and we're definitely going to have you back for our next training day. Thanks, man.
Hi, this is Charlotte returning your call. I wanted to thank you. I know you said you aren't a spy, but it sure feels like you snuck in and used that Men in Black thingy on us. I got really good feedback on you. That part about, connection and interaction aren't gone, they're just a skill. Yes, and you making it okay to not be great at it, that we humans got to and get to practice it every day, that really got our group feeling good. Mr. Flip Flop, David, if y'all want me to write a testimonial, just let me know. You take care now. Bye-bye.
Having someone that engaging and entertaining for the online portion of the event was exciting. I don't think they could have been a better speaker for the conference. It was the highlight of the day. He was great.
I've had the pleasure of seeing you be an MC for an event, so you also do that as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we did for MPI, I believe it was about 3 years ago or so. We did a reenactment of a active shooter drill, and you were MC, and you kind of brought in the gentleman that gave that presentation and that talk, and you did a fantastic job with that. So besides just speaking, you also do the MC. What other stuff might you be doing?
I thought his story was impactful and inspiring. We manufacture products to help people going through what the flip-flop philosopher went through. He tailored his program to us, so he included highlighting some of the products we manufacture. Our people rarely get a chance to experience what the customers we serve go through and how our products get integrated into the lives of the very real people we serve. Everyone they experienced his incredible journey. Handicap accessible is an internationally understood phrase. Everyone knows what it means. But he flipped that upside down. He talked about having to work to make being handicapped acceptable, and then to help people make being human accessible. That turned a light on for us. And he reminded us of the importance of humor. No matter how things are going, there's always time to laugh. And we've started implementing that at meetings. At best, it does help shift your perspective. If nothing else, everybody laughs and it lightens the room. We got a lot out of it.